All right, so additional feature that the app has is the ability to really do a nice job showing you trend lines over time compared to the ideal state that you're trying to manage to. And so in the case of this concentration, we've got a machine here that's got like 4 months worth of trend data. And you can just see how the coolant has performed in the sump as it relates to concentration. So I'm also able to add into this data set what the pH is. I can look at that individually. I can also take a look at what my top off ratios were if I own a piece of full shop equipment. So um, you get the ability to zoom into the data, uh, as you see fit. You also see any notifications, that type of stuff through these lines here. So this is a scenario where if I look down on the register action, they were disabling and re-enabling the equipment. Look over here, same thing. So there are some interactions with our automation equipment that show up in this data set. But at the end of the day, what you really get is the ability to clearly see short-term trends and then longer term trends as it relates to your concentration and pH performance in your sumps.